because the road to hell is paved with good intentions.
Alright guys, Proto here. So today's tooltip is going to be over the chmod command, but more broadly is going to be creating an update and upgrade command where you can just easily run one program or one bash script and have your system go through an upgrade and an update. It'll clear the screen, run the command, and we will use Figlet and lolcat to create that banner that you see in most of my terminals. So I have up a Linux terminal here. You can guess what it actually is. This is a little sneak peek at what the first video for the year will be. So first thing that we need to do is install Figlet and lolcat. So the commands for that is going to be, and all the commands will be in the little comment box. So with the apt package manager, you can type in sudo apt install. Sudo is the super user do, apt is the package manager. You're installing Figlet, and then you can do a space and enter a second program if you wish to install. And the second one is going to be lolcat. It's going to go through. You'll have to press yes. I already have it installed. So from there, we're going to go through a few simple command line commands. First, we're going to make a directory. So I'm just making sure that I don't already have it made. We're going to do mkdir for make directory. We're just going to call it scripts. ls commands lists the folders and documents. So we see we have the folder scripts there. So cd is change directory into scripts. And now we're going to create that update file. So touch, which is the command to create a file, update.sh. And from here, we now get to use that chmod command. So it's chmod, and the chmod is for change mode. Plus X is going to make it executable. And you're just going to type in the name of the file that you created. To get it to autofill, you type in the first letter or the first couple letters, and you can press tab. Press enter, and now it's made into an executable. To run it, you need to first actually write into it. So we're going to use nano, which is the Linux text in-terminal text editor. First thing we need to do is put a shebang in, which this is going to let the compiler know what language we're going to be running it in. You're going to type in /bin/bash. This is going to be a bash program, and that's where it's going to get the actual compiling from. The next line is going to be starting the code. You can use the pound symbol to use comments. I like to comment my code. First command will be clear because we want to clear the screen. And then it will be Figlet, and we will call this up and up. And then we will do the little tunnel and type lolcat. What this will do is it'll run the command Figlet using the text up and up, and using that variable for lolcat. And then, quite simply, we're going to just do the update and upgrade command just all in one line. We're going to add the -y at the end to force a yes on wanting to do the full upgrade. You're going to run these both as sudo, and for that you're going to have to enter the password. To save and exit, we're going to press Control X, and to save it, you're going to press Y, and then enter. And now, if we run it, all we have to do is type in /u, press Tab, and enter. And I'm going to cancel it here by pressing Control C. And something fun happened. We got an error. So if we go back in, because we're doing this in a text file, we need to actually put the text that we want to use in Figlet into quotes. So save it. If you press up on the keyboard, it'll go through your history of the typed commands. And you find what we had already run. Enter, and there we go. I have some issues with this version that I have installed. This is a work in progress for next month's video, but I figured this would be a nice final Tooltip Tuesday, going over just a simple overview of the Linux command line, and then making a quick update and upgrade program. That way you don't have to type in the code every single time. If you have any questions or comments, leave me a comment down there in the box, and hope you guys have a great new year.
Because the road to hell is paved with good intentions.